Pakistan attempted to attack the locations of 36 border areas and military bases of India. However, India's remarkable air defense system destroyed all these drones and missiles almost before they could reach the ground. India's air defense system has multiple layers of security. Let's talk about them one by one. The most powerful air defense system of India is the S400, which we have purchased from Russia. The missiles equipped in it are capable of destroying any missile, drone, or fighter jet within a range of 400 kilometers, while still in the air. And the best part is that it is a mobile air defense system, which can be transported to different locations with the help of trucks as per the requirement. Now, this system comprises multiple devices. The first task is to detect the target, for which the radar mounted on the truck can detect any object within a radius of 600 kilometers. Its technology is so advanced that it can even detect high-speed jets, high-altitude missiles, and guided cruise missiles that fly at low altitudes within this 600-kilometer range. The best part is that it is capable of detecting more than 300 targets simultaneously. After detecting the target, the information is sent to the command post. The command post is basically the brain of this entire defense system. It assesses the size of the incoming target. If multiple targets are approaching, it decides which one to fire at first and which missile to launch based on the importance of the target. Once that decision is made, the missile is launched. This is done by the missile launcher mounted on the truck. Each launcher has 4 large tubes, each containing a missile. So, a single launcher has 4 missiles. But the command unit and radar mounted behind can control multiple such missile launchers simultaneously. A single squadron typically consists of 8 to 12 launcher units. So, if there are 8 launcher units, there will be 32 missiles in one squadron. And India has a total of 5 squadrons, with 160 missiles on standby mode at any given time. This means they are just waiting for the order from the command unit. The launcher unit uses cold launch technology, in which a gas generator is placed at the bottom of the tube, filled with solid propellant fuel. When the missile is launched, a slight spark ignites this propellant, which is designed to burn at a low temperature and produce high gas output, generating high pressure at the bottom of the canister, about 50 to 100 bar of pressure. This pressure is transferred to the piston pad, which begins to rise, taking the missile with it. First, the cap at the top is broken due to the pressure, and the missile comes out. This pressure is so high that it throws the missile 20 to 30 meters into the air. After that, the solid propellant fuel inside the missile starts to burn, and the missile heads towards its target. These launch canisters can launch a total of 4 types of missiles, each with different ranges. You can see this here. Depending on the distance and size of the target, the command post instructs the launcher unit on which missile to launch. According to that, the launch takes place. The maximum range of the highest missile is 400 kilometers. However, our radar can see up to 600 kilometers. So, in the future, if we acquire more powerful missiles, this system will easily handle them. But some of the missiles here do not have an active radar system. These need to be regularly guided on where to go and where to explode. For guiding these missiles, there is a fire control radar station. A squadron has 6 fire control radar units, and they continuously feed the missile with the target's location, guiding it accordingly. Now, these missiles travel at speeds between Mach 5 and Mach 6 after launch. At such speeds, they can easily catch fighter jets, drones, and missiles. While moving at this speed, they collide with the target, and the proximity fuse inside the missile activates the propellant, causing a massive blast. But there is an important thing to consider. These 4 units together complete the system, and they are located in different places. Generally, no one knows their locations. All the missiles and drones sent by Pakistan were destroyed in the air by this very system. But there's something to think about. If a small drone is coming and we use a missile to destroy it, it does not seem very practical. Spending 100 rupees on a 5 rupee item seems a bit unfair. So, our government added more layers to the air defense system, and at the top of the list comes the Akash air defense system. The best part is that it is entirely self-made in India, developed by DRDO, and has been active since 2007. This system uses a total of 3 missiles, and you can see their ranges, with a maximum range of 70 kilometers. The speed of this system is almost half of the S400 missile, reaching up to Mach 2.5. The working of the missile is almost the same as others. In the front portion of the missile, there is a navigation system and a computer system. In the center, there is a warhead that finally causes an explosion upon impact. And at the end, there is a solid propellant motor that propels the missile forward. Now, the missiles that do not have an onboard seeker system basically do not track the target by themselves. Instead, they receive information from ground-based radar, directing them where and how to go. This actually benefits these missiles, as if there is any jammer system in place, it won't be able to block its signal, preventing the missile from getting confused and ensuring it can destroy its target effectively. This system also has its own radar and control unit, capable of handling targets up to an altitude of 25 kilometers. After this, the next layer of security includes the medium-range surface-to-air missile system, which is also available in India. It is optimized for fast-moving drones and works effectively in an area ranging from 70 to 100 kilometers. In addition to this, we have another layer of air defense that I found quite impressive: the Integrated Counter-UAS Grid. This is not an American system. It is entirely developed by DRDO. It is not a single system, but a complete network of many sensors and surveillance radars. It also has multiple layers. The radar in this system is a high-resolution radar that is highly efficient in detecting small drones within a range of 10 to 20 kilometers. Apart from the radar, it includes electro-optical and infrared sensors. It also has a camera that shows the object's image, and the infrared sensor generates the object's thermal image. Following this is the Electronic Warfare Unit, which uses radio frequency sensors to control its communication signals. This sensor works in such a way that even if the radar fails to detect an object or drone, it can still control its communication signals within a range of 5 to 10 kilometers. And the available radio frequency jammer blocks its signals, causing the drone to either get lost or crash somewhere. During Pakistan's recent airstrike, this system worked exceptionally well. Now, suppose this system is unable to jam the drone's signals. In that case, the laser direct energy system also gets activated, which is also developed by DRDO. It utilizes 10 to 20 kilowatts of power and shoots a high-power laser at the drone, causing it to burn in mid-air. However, its range is only 1 to 2 kilometers. If the drone is farther than this, anti-drone guns are used, which basically shoot a net into the air to capture the drone and bring it down. If the target is even beyond the range of this system, it also has its own short-range missiles that operate very quickly. To control this system, there is a command and control unit, which basically decides which system needs to be operated. Apart from this, there are also some other air defense systems available in India. But the best part is that all the systems I have explained to you so far are connected to an integrated air defense system. This allows them to share information with each other so that it can be decided what kind of treatment should be given to the enemy's object. I hope everything is clear to you. For more such amazing information, you can subscribe to our channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.